Do you struggle picking the right suitcase for your travels? It's crucial to choose the correct size, weight, and material for convenience and durability. Consider opting for a hard-shell suitcase to protect your belongings during transit. Always check the airline's specific baggage restrictions before selecting your luggage. Choosing the right color and style can make it easier to spot your suitcase at baggage claim. Opt for bright or unique patterns to stand out in a sea of black bags. Experts suggest investing in a TSA-Approved lock for added security during your journey. Avoid overpacking your suitcase to prevent exceeding weight limits and potential additional fees. Make sure your suitcase has sturdy wheels for easy maneuvering through airports and hotels. A well-organized interior with compartments can help keep your belongings secure and easily accessible. Consider a suitcase with a built-in charging port for convenient access to power on the go. Remember to label your suitcase with your contact information to prevent loss during travel. Experts recommend choosing a lightweight suitcase to avoid extra weight and strain on your travels. Opt for a water-resistant suitcase to protect your belongings from unexpected spills or rain. Prioritize choosing a durable material like polycarbonate or aluminum for long-lasting use. Always double-check the warranty and return policy when purchasing a new suitcase for travel. A well-chosen suitcase can make your travel experience smoother and stress-free in the long run. Travel smart, choose the right suitcase, and journey worry-free on your next adventure. Remember, your suitcase is not just a bag but a companion on your travels. Make a smart choice today for a smoother tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel advice and tips. Pack your bags right and travel light on your next trip. Safe travels and happy exploring. Thank you for watching.